Starting around 05 August 2023, AMP essentially is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.36% in every practical sense. Most recent 60 minutes, which generally is genuinely huge. AMP in every practical sense has a complete market cap of $100,794,780, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,989,167, which truly is genuinely huge. This especially makes AMP truly positioning at 193 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP be really worth in 2023 in a by and large significant manner? Is AMP a truly wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023? Which most certainly is genuinely critical. Will AMP cost for the most part outperform its unequaled high, which explicitly is genuinely huge? These especially are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, which explicitly is genuinely huge. AMP value expectation 2023. As per the AMP estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the AMP cost especially is supposed to cross a by and large normal value level of $0.003, the normal especially least value worth of AMP, toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year, ought to really be $0.003, or so they thought. Besides, AMP can in a real sense arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $0.003. AMP value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the very most extreme cost for AMP could really stretch around $0.003 incredibly. Besides, the minimum cost of AMP in August 2023, for the most part is $0.003 with a typical cost of $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. AMP value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of AMP is determined to especially be at around an extremely least worth of $0.003, which shows that AMP value expectation 2023, as per the AMP estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the AMP cost most certainly is supposed to really cross a by and large normal value level of $0.003. The normal pretty least value worth of AMP toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to be $0.003, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The AMP value worth can sort of arrive at an especially limit of $0.003, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars in a sort of significant way. AMP value conjecture October 2023. The AMP figure for October 2023 expects that the AMP may generally arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.003 with a genuinely least cost of around $0.003, which for the most part is very critical. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value AMP can generally stretch around $0.003 for October, exhibiting that starting around 05 August 2023. AMP most certainly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.36% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which especially is very huge. AMP value gauge November 2023. The AMP cost for November 2023 may truly arrive at a sort of least worth of $0.003, while the in every practical sense greatest estimated cost by and large is around $0.003, or so they especially thought. The typical cost for AMP explicitly is somewhat anticipated to truly reach $0.003 in November 2023, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of AMP in a real sense is determined to sort of be at around an all things considered least worth of $0.003, which generally shows that AMP value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of AMP explicitly is gauged to in a real sense be at around an exceptionally least worth of $0.003 in opposition to prevalent thinking. The AMP value worth can especially arrive at and in every practical sense Limit of $0.003. With the all things considered, normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in USD.AMP kind of past value examination, in every way that really matters, recent hours, the crypto in a real sense has been diminished by 6.66%. In its especially current worth. Truly further appearance how AMP fundamentally has a truly complete market cap of $100,794,780, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,989,167 in a genuinely significant manner. Assuming we generally analyze the truly current market cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap is additionally down, which explicitly is very critical. From absolute most recent 7 days, the AMP certainly was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.35%, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. AMP for the most part has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to dive right in and generally put resources into an unobtrusive way. In fact, inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP really diminished by 40.327%, taking out an incredible especially normal amount of $0.002 from its by and large current worth, which basically shows that this basically makes AMP sort of positioning at 193 in the cryptographic money market beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be an essentially really great in every practical sense purchase a potential open door for kind of speedy speculation, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change especially is near 51.19%, and the cost certainly coursed from an extremely least beautiful typical cost of $0.005 to kind of greatest pretty normal cost of $0.005 in the beyond 90 days. Exceptionally further appearance. How might AMP cost outperform its record-breaking in every practical sense high in an especially significant way? AMP truly is somewhere near 23.25%, with the truly greatest truly normal cost of the coin for the most part was around $0.003, and the exceptionally least by and large normal cost of generally was around $0.003 and fundamentally beyond 4 months in a significant way. AMP value conjecture 2023 facts. What will basically be AMP exceptionally worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The AMP cost in a real sense is estimated to truly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme degree of $0.003 with especially least cost of $0.003 toward the finish of 2023 in an exceptionally huge manner. Does AMP explicitly have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, AMP generally has an exceptional truly potential to for the most part arrive at new levels, so the AMP cost explicitly is gauged to sort of arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.003, with truly least cost of $0.003 toward the finish of 2023 incredibly. It truly is figure that AMP will